Hi guys, Sarah here from Hewitt Avenue. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your free font into Procreate. So the font you're downloading is a hand lettered font by me. It's called Alpaca Type. So I have the link to sign up below in the description box in case you need it again, but this is where you're going to sign up. You'll put in your first name, your email address, and then tap on Get Your Free Font. That's going to take you to a confirmation page, and then within a few minutes, you'll be sent an email. Go into my email. This is what the email is going to look like. Hey font lover, here's your free download. So to download your font, you're going to tap on click to download. This is going to bring you to the zip file. Inside the zip file, you've got a couple options for your font depending on where you're using it. We're going to go over how to put it into Procreate, the app for iPad lettering, in this video. So tap on Save to Files. And I'm going to save this to my iCloud Drive. Next, I need to get to my files. Just going to search for it on my iCloud Drive. And here's the zip file for the Hewitt Avenue Alpaca Type. Tap once to unzip it, and there it is. Okay, now that we've got it unzipped, we're going to go back into Procreate. You're going to go to Add Text, Edit Style, Import Font. Now you need to go to where you have it saved on your iPad. And remember, I had mine saved on my iCloud Drive. Here it is, Hewitt Avenue Alpaca Type. You can do either the OpenType font or the TrueType font. Okay, so it's actually already imported into the Procreate app now. I'm going to show you how to add text. So let's delete all this. Okay, so tap on the wrench in the top left-hand corner, tap on Add, tap Add Text. Type in the word that you want. I'm going to type in, it's an all lowercase font, and so you're going to want to type in something lowercase. I do have one uppercase letter. The capital A will give you the alpaca icon. So I just typed in alpaca, all lowercase. Mine defaulted to the font, but in case yours defaulted to whatever font is your default in Procreate, you can tap on Edit Style here and scroll until you find Alpaca Type, which has been loaded into your Procreate app. You can resize your text by going here, tapping the transformation tool, and there you have it. That's it for downloading your free font into the Procreate app.